In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create viral shorts that get millions of views. The best part? You can make these videos completely with AI. Head over to OpenAI's GPT store and search for ASMR mouth eating. Select that GPT model and click Start Chat. The GPT will ask you a series of questions to personalize your video. First, it'll ask what food you want to feature. Then it'll ask what color the food should be. Next, you'll choose what color lips you'd like. And finally, you'll pick the textures and effects you want. If you're not sure how to describe your vision, no problem. Just upload a reference image directly into the GPT model and tell it you want to create an image based on that reference. The AI will then give you one main text-to-image prompt. It'll also give you 4 related food variations using that main prompt. And you'll get 5 video prompts to go with it. Copy the main scene prompt from the GPT. Now open OpenArt and go to the Image tab. Click Create Image, select the Banana Pro model and paste your prompt. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Set your resolution to 2K and choose however many images you want. You'll get beautiful food images like these to use as references. Copy one of the other prompts the GPT gave you. Upload your first image as an Omni reference in OpenArt and paste the prompt. Click Create. Repeat this with all the prompts the GPT model created. You'll end up with a full set of images. Now go to the Image to Video tab. Select the VO3 model from Google. Upload your image and paste the video prompt the GPT provided. Set your resolution to 1080p, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, and set the duration to 6 seconds. Click Create, and you'll have a smooth video clip. I tested this with 2 other AI video tools to compare the results. Kling AI 2.6 produces really solid videos, though AI still makes small mistakes sometimes. Seedance 1.5 is also worth trying for different styles. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.